this is it. Do you remember it?
Not really.
Hi.
Hey.
Are you new here?
Yeah? I haven't been here in years.
Well, why'd you come now?
Down the hall, this is your room. Yeah, people were renting it and they kind of left in a hurry, so just to warn you, it's a little crazy.
What?
Yeah, I could use some cleaning up, but after a while, I think... Why did the light just turn off? The heck? Ugh.
Mom? Are you down there? I heard you scream. Mom? 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 Are you down here? Mom? 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 Oh, I missed the baby.